The Stedman Beginner Series bass guitar bundle is a fantastic choice for aspiring musicians, offering a comprehensive package that includes a full-size electric bass guitar and essential accessories. This bass guitar features a basswood body and a maple neck, providing a classic look and solid build quality that is suitable for both beginners and experienced players. Equipped with both a neck and bridge pickup, the guitar offers versatile sound options, allowing players to explore various tones and styles. Included in the bundle is a 15-watt amplifier, which is perfect for practice sessions and small performances, making it a great starter kit. The package also comes with a gig bag, strap, cable, extra strings, picks, and a polishing cloth, ensuring you have everything needed to start playing immediately. With its iconic double cutaway design, the Stedman bass guitar not only looks great, but also delivers excellent playability, making it an exceptional value for its price.